Good morning, my dear friends. Have you ever wondered why you still wake up tired, even after sleeping for a full 8 hours? You go to bed on time, you don't stay up too late. Yet when you open your eyes in the morning, you feel heavy, slow, and still exhausted. You're not alone. This is one of the most common problems seniors face after the age of 55, waking up tired despite a good night's sleep. And the surprising truth is, it's often not your sleep hours that are the problem. It's what's happening inside your body before and during sleep. Today, I'll explain the real reasons behind this hidden tiredness and how a few simple changes in your diet and evening habits can help you wake up refreshed, clear-headed, and full of energy. Let's start with a common morning routine. A cup of tea or coffee right after waking up. It feels comforting, right? That warm sip, that smell, it's part of our habit for years. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Caffeine from coffee or even strong tea can disrupt your body's natural energy rhythm. When you drink it first thing in the morning, it forces your adrenal glands to release stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Now, these hormones do give a short burst of energy, but later in the day they cause a crash. And that's why, even if you sleep for 8 hours, your body still feels drained the next morning. As we age, our liver processes caffeine more slowly. That means caffeine stays in your system for much longer, sometimes even up to 12 hours. So that evening cup of coffee you enjoyed at 6 p.m., it might still be in your body at midnight, silently disturbing the deep, restorative stage of your sleep. You see, sleep has different stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and dream sleep. It's during deep sleep that your body repairs muscles, clears toxins from your brain, and restores your memory and energy. But if deep sleep is interrupted, even slightly, your brain doesn't complete this repair process. That's why you can sleep for 8 hours and still wake up tired, because your body never entered true deep rest. And what interrupts it most often? Late-night caffeine, heavy or sugary dinners, and even alcohol before bed. Sugar gives a quick rush of energy, then a sudden drop in blood sugar during sleep. Your body responds by releasing stress hormones again, pulling you out of deep sleep without you even realizing it. So even though you think you slept through the night, your body was actually busy fighting sugar and caffeine instead of resting. Many older adults believe that eating a full, heavy dinner helps them sleep better. But after 60, your metabolism slows down. Your body takes longer to digest food. That means if you go to bed with a full stomach, your body is still working hard to break down that food while you're sleeping. Instead of focusing on healing and repair, it's busy with digestion, leaving you tired and bloated in the morning. This is why experts suggest eating your dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed and keeping it light but nourishing, like vegetable soup, oats, or steamed veggies with a little olive oil and protein. Now that we've uncovered what's quietly stealing your energy, caffeine, sugar, and heavy dinners, let's talk about what you can do instead to help your body truly rest, repair, and rejuvenate overnight. The good news? You don't need fancy supplements or sleeping pills. Just a few simple natural changes can make a world of difference. 1. Try a sleep-friendly night drink. One of the best things you can do is sip a natural calming drink 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Golden milk, warm milk with a pinch of turmeric, helps reduce inflammation, calm the nervous system, and improve joint health. Or if you prefer something lighter, chamomile tea is known for its gentle sleep-promoting effect. Both options help your brain release melatonin, the sleep hormone, allowing you to fall asleep faster and reach deeper, more restorative sleep. And here's something amazing. Studies show that seniors who regularly drink these calming beverages before bed report better sleep, less anxiety, and improved morning alertness. 2. Eat foods that support deep sleep. The foods you eat throughout the day directly affect how your body sleeps at night. For example, bananas are rich in magnesium and potassium. They help relax tight muscles and prevent night cramp. Oats contain tryptophan, which your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin. Almonds or walnuts provide healthy fats that keep your brain nourished during the night. Adding these foods to your daily meals can help your body build a natural rhythm, so that by bedtime, you feel calm and sleepy instead of restless or wide awake. 3. Gentle evening movement. After dinner, try taking a 10-minute walk. It helps your digestion, improves blood flow, and signals your body that it's time to wind down. Gentle evening movement also reduces swelling in the legs and helps prevent restless leg syndrome. which often interrupts sleep in older adults. You don't need anything intense, just a light stroll, some slow breathing, or even stretching while watching TV. 4. Prepare a restful sleep environment. Sometimes poor sleep has nothing to do with food or caffeine. It's simply because your sleep environment isn't helping your body relax. Here are a few gentle reminders. Keep your room slightly cool. Avoid screens and bright lights 30 minutes before bed. Listen to soft instrumental or nature sound. And if you wake up during the night, avoid checking the time. It only triggers anxiety. Creating a calm routine trains your brain to recognize when it's time to rest. 5. Morning refresh habit. And finally, when you wake up, open your curtains, let sunlight touch your face, and drink a full glass of water. That first light of the day resets your body clock and tells your brain, yes, it's morning now, time to feel awake and energetic. When you combine this with the evening habits we discussed, you'll notice a powerful shift. You'll sleep more deeply, wake up fresher, and have more steady energy throughout the day. Remember, my friends, waking up tired is not a sign of old age. It's a signal from your body asking for balance. By avoiding caffeine late in the day, eating light dinners, and adding natural foods that support sleep, you give your body the chance to heal overnight, just like it's meant to. So tonight, take one small step. Make that warm drink, eat early, and allow your body to rest deeply. Because good sleep isn't just rest, it's your body's natural medicine. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more senior wellness tips every week. Take care of yourself. Your best years of health are still ahead.